Step 1. Kebabs. Add all spices and chicken mince. Mince 1 kilogram. Cumin seed 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 spoon. Coriander seed 1 spoon. Red chili 1 spoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Flour ½ cup. Ginger and garlic paste 5 spoon. Lemon juice 5 spoon. Salt as required. Mix well. Now mince is ready to prepare kebabs. We will make medium-sized kebab. Time to cook. Fry on medium flame from all sides until golden brown. Step to gravy. Oil 1 cup. Onion to chopped. Sauté onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Add ginger, garlic paste. Add tomato paste 1 cup. Red chili powder 1 spoon. Salt as required. Cumin seed 1 spoon. Coriander powder 1 spoon. Black pepper 1 spoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Cook well for 4 to 5 minutes till oil separates. Gently add kebabs in the gravy. Fry 2 minutes. Now add water 1 glass or as required. Sprinkle garam masala. Cover and cook on slow flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Kabab karahi is ready.